Hi, first grade. Happy Thursday. Just think in exactly 1 week, you're going to be eating and doing the activities that we've been talking about this week at Thanksgiving. So today we're going to begin our Thanksgiving draft. That is our first writing copy. Then we will write at least 2 sentences, 2 complete sentences about our Thanksgiving meal and tradition. This is important so that we can become better writers. So yesterday you drew a picture of what you eat and a picture of something that you do, an activity that your family participates in or that your family does at Thanksgiving. Today we're going to look at our drawing that we did yesterday, and then we're going to write at least 2 complete sentences. How many sentences are we going to write? At least 2. That means you can write 2 or more, okay? So you have to write at least 2 complete sentences using your Thanksgiving illustration. So your drawings that you did yesterday, your family meal, and your family activities, you're going to write at least, how many? 2 sentences about them. Okay. So I am going to show you what that looks like. So yesterday, you drew a picture about your family's favorite meal or something that you eat at Thanksgiving, and then you drew a picture of an activity that your family does at Thanksgiving. Today, you're going to write at least 2 complete sentences about those pictures. So here is how I would start my paper, okay? I would start my paper with on Thanksgiving, my family eats turkey. Now, what needs to go at the end of my sentence? My sentence didn't end here on Thanksgiving my. That doesn't make sense. That's not the end of my sentence. Where's the end of my sentence? On Thanksgiving, my family eats turkey. There is the end of my sentence. What needs to go there? A period. That is correct. I heard lots of you say a period. Then my next sentence needs to talk about the activity that my family likes to do. So I can put, see that? No, me neither. All right, we, no, I don't like we. Let's write my family. My family likes to, what did I tell you yesterday my family likes to do? Take naps. We like to take naps after we eat. My family likes to take naps. Now, the end of my sentence is after naps. Not here. This is not the end of my sentence. My family likes to. That's not a complete sentence. Take naps. That is my sentence. This whole line and a half. When you run out of room over here, you come over here to the next line and keep writing. But don't forget to put your period after the end of that sentence. Okay? So that's at least 2 sentences. You can write more if you want to. On Thanksgiving, my family eats blank. My family likes to blank. Now, except for the turkey, because that's a pretty common meal that families like to have at Thanksgiving. Except for saying turkey, you cannot use my ideas. You need to use your own. We brainstormed all these ideas yesterday, remember? There was turkey, ham, mashed potatoes, green beans, rolls, gravy, pies, cranberry sauce, and stuffing. And probably you listed some more. Then the activities that families like to do on Thanksgiving: play football, visit family, car trips, shopping, go to the movies, nap, watch TV, watch parades, watch football, eat. Now, which word did I say you couldn't use? You couldn't copy my activity, so nap is out, even if that's something you like to do. Think of something else your family likes to do on Thanksgiving. So here's your favorite meal. You may choose from these words or pick your own. Here's your favorite activity. You may choose from these words or pick your own. Except for, which one? Yep, nap. So you're going to have to pick another activity that your family participates in on Thanksgiving. Then after you write your 2 sentences, how many sentences? 2, at least 2 sentences. After you write your 2 sentences, then you're going to take a picture of it and turn it into your teacher. Make sure you have your date at the top, your name at the top. Make sure you write on the lines. Make sure you write in your best handwriting. Some of you are not taking your time and writing neatly, and it shows. So please go back and make sure you're writing in your best, neat handwriting. Make sure you have finger spaces between your words. Then make sure you have capitals at the beginning of your sentence and for proper nouns. And then make sure you have punctuation, periods at the end of your sentence, not just at the end of the line. It has to be end of the complete sentence. Go back and check that you did all of these things before you take a picture and turn it into your teacher. So let's go back and review what we talked about. We used our drawing from yesterday to write 2 complete sentences about our meal that we have at Thanksgiving and our activity that our family participates in at Thanksgiving. Then we checked our writing using the writing checklist. We made sure we had done all these things. Then we took a picture and we turned it into our teacher. And tomorrow we are going to write a sentence at the bottom. We're going to add to our story to make it more interesting. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a good one. Bye.